Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out two variations of the Walmart Beauty Box for summer. If you are not familiar with the Walmart Beauty Box, it is a seasonal subscription. They come out winter, spring, summer, and fall. This is the summer version. I get two boxes. We have version 1 and version 5. I cannot wait to see what's in here. Sometimes you will get very similar products in each variation. Sometimes you get fully different products in each variation. So I'm excited to see what we get. I have mentioned before how I get two boxes. I get mine because one of them is my sister's subscription. They both come to the same address, but you have to have a different email address to register. I think somebody said in a previous video's comments that they actually registered for two boxes with the same email address, so that may work. But I do have two, and I'm going to see what's inside these two. We're going to start with one. While we're going through this box, if you guys do like this video and you find it helpful to your journey in finding the right subscription box to you, I'd love for you to hit like, hit subscribe, and if you don't want to miss out on future uploads, you can hit that notifications bell. So let's take a sneak peek. Well, we got our yellow box. So this theme is sunshine in a box, and this is the Walmart Beauty Box for summer. So we have a sneak peek of what we could have in here. This looks good. And we have, it looks like a lot of the things that are in here. So the first thing we have is an EOS Shea Butter Cashmere Body Wash, and this is the Vanilla Cashmere. This is the full size is 16 ounces. This is 2.5 ounces. The full size is $9.98. So this is a trial size. You can probably buy this size, but this is just a travel size deluxe sample, however you want to phrase that. I will say in the Walmart Beauty Box, you will get a mix of sample sizes and full-size products. But $6.98, I think it is, you can't beat the value for this one. This is the best value beauty box, bar none. So, cashmere, and I love I have the hand cream from this, I think from the previous season's box. So I'm glad to have the shower gel, or sorry, the body wash shower gel of the same fragrance. It smells amazing. So I love that. So that's our first one. Our second one is going to be a full-size product, and this is the Gimme Beauty Seamless Hair Bands. This is the full-size 12 count for $7.90. Now this is 5 pieces, so this is not the full size. The full size would be a 12 count at $7.94. So this is a smaller version. I do use hair bands in my hair, and these are seamless. And they look nice and thick. These are like a cross between a rubber band and a scrunchie. You can see that it rolls up, but it's not, there's nothing in it. It's not like a wrapped around an elastic. It is the elastic, but it should not catch in your hair, and it should work really well. So I'm excited to have those. I will definitely use those. Our next product, and this is definitely a sample size, this is a Dove whole body deodorant. So everybody's coming out with a different version of the whole body deodorants that Lumi started. So this is Dove's version of a whole body deodorant. And this is, I can't tell if it has a scent written on it. It doesn't really smell like much, but you twist it up and it's a stick. So this is one you can put anywhere you got stinks, and it's a deodorant for that. So that's our third product. Our fourth product in this box is a Sunbum 30 SPF sunscreen. And this is a trial size. The full size was $16.48 at 6 ounces, and this is a 1 ounce. So we have a sixth of a full size, so that's a pretty good value. And our last product is from, I can't see a brand on this. We have this. Let me look on the paper. Oh, this is from Monday, and this is a deep moisture hair mask. So this is a single-use hair mask. A full size would be $6.97 for 8.4 ounces. I don't know why they couldn't give us a bigger sample than just one use, but we can try it and see if you want to spend the $7 for a full size for that. Okay, so version 1, we got no full size products, but we got a total of 5 products. So a little over $1 a piece if you count at the $6.98. Definitely got our money's worth. If you also got variation 1, tell me, did you get exactly the same products or did you get anything different? I would like to know. The next thing I would like to know is what is in variation 5. So on the little stickers, it'll tell you what variation you have. So we have variation 5, and it's just the summer beauty box. And I'm going to stick this paper with the box it came with because this box will have its own with its own products listed on it. So there's, again, our opening and our paper. We did get a few different things. We got some repeats, but we got a few different things. I'm going to start with our repeats. We got actually this is different. This one is a leave-in conditioner also from Monday. So we got a leave-in conditioner and a hair mask, sample sizes. The full size of this would be $4.97 for 5.1 ounces. So this is obviously a single use. Travel. Our second repeat is this actually, I guess now our first repeat is a Sun Bum, and this is the 30 SPF sunscreen. And okay, we did get one more repeat. Oh, we did not get one more repeat. This is also Dove, but this is the aluminum-free coconut and pink jasmine 72-hour deodorant. So this is not an all-over deodorant, but we did get a nice Dove deodorant. Jasmine, coconut and pink jasmine. Ooh, that does smell good. So a little travel size. And this is a different style for Dove. It's normally where you take the top part off and it twists up. This is a full sleeve cap and you twist it up. So nice little trial size for that one. And the Dove full size is $6.99 for the 2.6 ounces. And I don't think I told you on the whole body is actually $11.99 for 2.6 ounces. So the whole body deodorant costs more. This one is actually just a regular deodorant. Okay, now we got new stuff. Our first new thing is a Japanesque, I guess is how you say that. This is a Complexion Perfection Dermaplaner. So we got a Dermaplane razor. I have never used one of these. I'm scared stiff to try to do this. This is a full size. Every time I say this is a full size, I'm not sure now. It says a full size is a 5-pack for $13.83. I can't tell if it does have a replacement. I think this is just a one with a replacement head. So this is not a full size, but you can definitely use this one. And a full size would be $13.83 for 5, and we got almost half of that, so pretty good value for that one. Our next is a Nair body cream, aloe and water lily body cream. The full size of this is $5.49, and that would be 7.9 ounces. We didn't get any full-size products in either of these boxes. That's really unusual. You could, I mean, considering that the full size of this comes with more replacement heads and this only has one, not a full size. It's really unusual not to get any full size. But again, $6.98. For this $6.98, we got these 5 products. We got our Dove, our leave-in conditioner, our Dermaplaner, our Nair, and our sunscreen. Still very good products, still definitely worth the money. This box, this season, unless there's better stuff in other variations, is not a hit out of the park season for me. But with the Walmart Beauty Box, for as inexpensive as it is, when you get, and this is definitely not a dud month. There are good products in both boxes, but there's not the product that makes me just so glad that I got this box. But because of so many other months, so many other seasons have that, wow, they sent some amazing things. I keep my subscription. I've told you before, I've had my subscription for probably 10 years. I've had it since I think it launched, and I have never canceled it. I've continually kept it. When it first came out, it was $5 a month with no shipping. And it's still no shipping, but I think it was not even taxes then. But then they added taxes, and now it's $6.98 plus taxes, so it's like $7.64 once the taxes are in there. But that's the shipping included. That's everything. So still, I love my Walmart Beauty Boxes. It actually came today. I just couldn't wait to film it. I'll get it out to you guys as soon as I get it edited and ready to roll, hopefully today or tomorrow. But let me know in the comments, what are your favorite products of these that you like? What did you get different in your variations? I really love to get that feedback from you guys and know what came in other variations or even different things in these variations. I know a lot of people have subscribed from watching previous seasons of my videos, and I would love to know if you are just now learning about the Walmart Beauty Boxes from this video. Please tell me in the comments and tell me, did you decide to subscribe, or or not? I would love to know. I don't get anything from Walmart from showing you these boxes. I just like my boxes and I want to share them with you. So let me know what you think about them. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, again, hit thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. But for today, I want to thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great one. Bye.